So this is the same question, detect a cycle in a directed graph. So we will going to do this question using DFS. So what we will do, we will require an adjacency list like every graph question we need. So vector of int of adjacency. So it will starting from 1, so n plus me 1. It was not a zero indexing base, so for loop auto address of it, we will take all the adjacency list in. So adjacent of it dot first dot pushback it dot second. So we need two array, one is for visited and other one for path. So path is this will travel from this path or not. So what we will do, we will take all the nodes starting from 1 to n and we will check if not visited, then what we will do, we will pass it to in our DFS which have visit, path, adjacency list and our starting node which are not visited, and if it return true, then we will return true, and else will return false. Means the DFS will check and give us if it has cycle, then it will return true, and if it is not, then return false. So let's declare DFS. DFS will be bool vector of int of address visit, path and our adjacency list and our node. So what we will, the first thing we do, we mark visit of node is equal to 1 and path is equal to 1 also. What it means that we are coming from there and we will traverse all the adjacency list of node, and if it is not visited, then what we will do, we visit it, we pass in our DFS which have path, adjacency list and node will be it, and if it return true, means DFS will return true. If it has cycle, then it return true. Else if what we will do, it's visited and if its path also visited, then we have already gone through from there, then what we will do, we will return true. Now if it is not visited and the path is and there, so what we will do, we will mark path of node is equal to again 0 and we will return false, that we have traversed from this path, but we're not able to find any cycle there. So let's submit this solution. So what is saying, adjacency if DFS, in which line it was wrong, at 6 maybe. So that's giving our all task is passed. Let's submit this solution and see what will the outcome. So the solution is submitted and the